Have you ever visited Samanong Fall? It is truly beautiful. You need to see this.
Before leaving, we're packing everything we need for the trip. We have food and drinking water.
It is always better to be prepared before starting a journey.
This is so beautiful! After driving for some time, we finally reached Sama Nongfall. What a breathtaking place! The peaceful atmosphere and beautiful natural surroundings, a perfect escape into nature. Hello everyone! Welcome back to another exciting journey. Today, we're leaving home to visit one of the hidden natural gems of West Jaintia Hills, Sama Nongfall. And finally, we've arrived at Sama Nongfall. The first thing you'll notice is the calm and refreshing atmosphere. Crystal clear water flows through the rocks, surrounded by beautiful greenery. This destination is ideal for families and friends. Take amazing photos and enjoy nature. Enjoy the sound of flowing water. Sama Nongfall is worth visiting.
One of the best things about this place is its natural beauty. The fresh air, the peaceful surroundings, and the relaxing sound of the waterfall make it a wonderful escape from the busy city life. If you're planning to visit West Jaintia Hills, don't miss the opportunity to explore Samanong Fall. Remember to keep the area clean, avoid littering, and help protect visitors can enjoy it too.
Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel videos featuring the beautiful places of Meghalaya. See you in the next adventure!